It's April 2024, and we are spending a couple days in the Red River Gorge area, camping at Callie's Campground, before meeting our friends Monday to continue our adventure from 2023 on the CAT, Kentucky Adventure Tour. So we took a little ride over to the historic Fitchburg Furnace, Daniel Boone National Forest. Pretty nice little area to stop and take a break. So this is the Rock Bridge, Daniel Boone National Forest. Formed by this stream years and years and years ago. Pretty cool.